Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to zoom in on videos in InShot. So if you want to zoom in on the videos in your InShot application, what you have to do is first of all open up your InShot application, and inside Creator New, now you have to tap on video. And after tapping on video, create a new video, and now you have to select a video which you would like to zoom. So after selecting that video, just tap on the tick icon which is on the bottom right of your screen. And after tapping on that, now if you want to zoom, what you can do is now you have to select a frame of the video which you would like to zoom. So I would like to zoom this frame of this video. So after selecting that video, now what you have to do is just tap on the split option which is on the bottom. So after tapping on that split option, now you have to tap on canvas, and after tapping on canvas, now you can zoom the video at the range that you would like. So after zooming that video, to apply that zoom, now you have to tap on the tick icon which is on the right side of your screen, and after tapping on that tick, you have applied the zoom. So now what you have to do is just select another frame of the same video. So for example, I'll select this frame and again tap on split, and then go to your canvas, and now you can zoom out. And now after selecting the range of zoom out, you can just tap on tick icon which is on the bottom right. So now if you play this video, you can see the zoom has been applied. So here you can see it is zooming in, and now it is zooming out. So this is how you can apply zoom on your videos inside InShot. So this is the first way. There is another way how you can also apply this zoom. So now what you have to do is you have to select the video. After selecting the video, you have to select the frame of that video which you would like to zoom. So suppose I'm selecting this frame of this video. Now after selecting this frame, what you can do is just tap on split, and after tapping on split, now what you have to do is you have to manually zoom that video using your fingers. So now I'm zooming this video by using my fingers. And after selecting the zoom, now you have to tap on the keyframe option which is besides the play icon. You can see it in the bottom right of your screen. So now you have to tap on that icon, and after tapping on the keyframe icon, you have applied keyframe, and now you have to select another part of this video. So I'm going to select this one, and now what you have to do is you just have to zoom out of your video. And after zooming out, your keyframe will be automatically applied, or you can also apply it manually by just tapping on that keyframe icon which is on the bottom right of your screen. Now what you have to do is you have to select another frame of your video. So I'm selecting this one, and now I'm zooming all the way out, and the frame has been automatically applied. Another frame, and now you can zoom in, and the frame is automatically applied. So now if you want to see the frame is applied or not, just play this video, and you can see the frame has been applied. And now it is slowly zooming out. So this is how keyframe works on InShot. So this was the other way how to zoom in on videos in InShot. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.